says and please put a star beside this, which will be on your test and on your assignment and everything else. So we'll say a function f of x has these properties. The domain is going to be x is anything. X is any integer. F of 1 is equal to 1, and f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 3x times x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now do not be afraid. I'll get you started and you guys can finish it from there. Find f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, I'll get other ways you guys can see. Okay, so this is called a recursive pattern. We'll learn more about recursion later in the course. It's telling you that f of 1 is equal to 1. In order to get any other term, what you can say is that f of x plus 1, so if you have a number, you take f of x, which would be the previous number, and then add 3x plus x plus 1, and then add 1 to it. That's what it's going to be. So I will do the first one for you. Okay. If you're looking for f of 2, what is x equal in this case if I'm looking for f of 2? If I'm going to use this general equation right here, if I'm looking for f of 2, what does x equal? Nope, not in this case. I'm going to say it's going to be 1, okay? Because if you're thinking here, my equation here is talking about x plus 1, right? So I'm going to say in this case, so for f of 2, can someone be brave if x is equal to 1? Andrew, I'm picking on you. What is f of 2 going to equal? Try and be brave here. What does f of x mean in this case? Yeah, well, okay. So f of x is going to be x is 1, so we're going to say f of 1. Right? Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. F of 1. Keep telling me what to write. Plus 3. Yeah, so what does x equal? Good. What is x plus 1? Good. Plus 1. I'll do the next one too to make sure we get the pattern. Okay. This is a little bit deep. Okay, what does f of 1 equal? This is deep, I know. You guys can do this. What does f of 1 equal? Not all at once. What does f of 1 equal? Thank you. Okay, good. So I'm going to say f of 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so in general, we said f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus x times x, no, plus, what was it? Plus 3 times x. Okay, so I'd like someone to be tremendously brave and try and do the same thing for f of 3 for me, please. I'm going to ask for a volunteer this time instead of me telling you who's going to raise their hand. What is f of 3 going to be? Brian, go ahead. F2. Excellent, good. Plus 3. Yeah. 1. Well, what does x equal?
It's a 1.
Nope. Yeah, it's here. Right, because in this case, right, x is equal to 2. A great start, right? X is equal to 2 in this case. Good.
And then 3.
Yeah, good. And then plus 1. Okay. So you see the pattern here that we're doing here? Nice. Go ahead. Okay, so what I just did was here, this is the general pattern here that I'm doing, right? That's like, this is the general equation we were given. It says find F2, 3, 4, so what I'm doing is I'm finding F3 next. the general case says x plus 1 is going to be 3, so x has got to be 2 in this case, right? Because x plus 1 is 3, so then I just sub in x, I just changed to be 2, x I just changed to be 2, and x plus 1 I just changed to be 3. All right, everybody sort of following what's happening there? I hope. With that knowledge, Georgie, and everyone else, I'd like you to take the next 10 seconds of your lives and find 4, 5, and 6, and the rest of 3, I guess. Work it out.